How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook so that others can't see who you are friends with. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and there under the audience and visibility, simply tap on the option that says how people can find and contact you. So here simply tap on it, and now here in this section you simply have to change one option, that is who can see your friends list. So here simply tap on it, and now here in this section, if it is set to public, simply select to only me and simply save it. But this doesn't hide mutual friends directly, but it will keep your full friends list private from others. Now your friends list is private and this changes apply automatically, so no one can see your friends except you. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.